Okay, good afternoon, teacher. Today we are going to explain you our lesson plan. The members of the groups are Boris Lopez, Lisbeth Saavedra, and who is talking to you, Cynthia Núñez. The lesson plan is going to develop in a student of first senior high school, a student of 15 years old, and the level of students uh, are is pre-intermediate level. Okay, the objective of our plan are the student will be able to write some suggestion about how to prevent the coronavirus spread using the modal verb should. And the last one, students will be able to express orally their suggestions to prevent the coronavirus spread. The materials that teacher and students are going to use are a computer, markers, pens, PowerPoint, a presentation or a slide, the Zoom app, and the Jetpomp website. The timing of our lesson plan is 45 minutes. Okay, as a pre-teaching or warm-up we have that students answer some question about the grammar structure should. Students are going to watch a video about the coronavirus. Now I'm going to give you the floor and my partner, Lisbeth, I think. Yes. Okay.
Okay, following
Thank you.
to Cynthia, after watching the video about the coronavirus spread, students are asked to answer some questions that the teacher made, and the teacher asked them why the modal, after this, the teacher asked them why the modal verb should will need to be used on this lesson. So at that moment, they reflect about what they saw on the video, and they said that this more verbal modal verb, it could be used in order to make suggestions or recommendations. And the teacher writes in the digital board on Zoom, she or he writes these key words, suggestions and recommendations. After that, there is another moment, which is guided practice. In the guided practice, the teacher, after these clarifications or this focus on what is the verbal, the modal verb should is used, the teacher asks them to think of some preventions or the preventions they saw on the video in order for them to think of some suggestions that they will do. And the teacher asked them to have some materials such as markers or a sheet of paper for them to write the suggestions they have thought. And after that, they are allowed to write the suggestions in the sheet of paper. Well, we're going to continue with the independent practice that my partner Boris is going to explain.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. After everything my partners said before, to continue working with this activity, in the independent practice, we have three different activities. The first one is some students read their recommendations in front of the class, arguing and explaining their ideas. Obviously, they can use their sheet of paper in which they wrote everything in order to express their ideas or their recommendations concerning to this topic or to this grammatical tense, which is should. And after that, students are asked to report the classmates' suggestions. This is important, this is considered to apply with the students to see if they have pay attention to everything others said. I mean, this is a way only to measure a student's progress or a student's understanding concerning to a specific topic. And after that, we have the assessment. It is important for us English teachers to write down all the mistakes we hear from our students. For example, if somebody makes a mistake saying shoots instead of saying should, because as you know, in this modal verb, we don't have to add the letter S at the end of this word. We can write down those mistakes, and in a general way, we can explain those mistakes for students not to make them again. And finally, students do a quiz about the explained topic. This is beneficial for us as English teachers to measure our students' progress or development concerning to this topic. Thank you very much.